Good morning. I just wanted to share with everybody, I got a new soap cutter and I've made a new batch of soap for a friend of mine. So I wanted to show you my first cut with my new soap cutter. So bear with me because this is the first time I've used it. Okie dokie, we've got it in the cutter. And pushing down, we should get some beautiful bars out of this. Oh, nice. Okay, one down. Let's see what we have. And this is a lavender bar with, see if you can see that. This is lavender. Whew, love that. With no coconut oil in it. And it's for a friend of mine. And she is allergic to coconut. So we're going to put these off to the side. Oh, it smells fabulous. That's a little piece for me. And we've got a couple with some real pretty purple streaks in it. There we go. Hopefully you can see that. Ooh. It's not as white as I'd like it to be, but since we have no coconut oil in it, it makes it a little harder to get a nice white bar. So let's do one more cut. We'll take this out, let it dry. Oh. These are pretty big loaves. Okay. Oh. Try again. Okay, one more time. Ooh, these are big loaves. Oh yeah, there we go. Again, those smell fabulous. Excited to try one. Might do that in just a minute. That one's a little off. It's okay, save that one for me. And we got one more here. We'll get that done. Maybe I should try it from the top. Doesn't really matter either way. There we go. These are nice big bars too. Look at that. Big bar soap. It smells so good. Okay, that's all for right now. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. Okay, so I just cut the bars from my lavender no coconut soap. And I decided I should bring it in here and do a little test with it. So we're going to soap it up and see how it does. Okay. Again, these are fresh bars. Oh, nice. Very nice. Ooh, nice and silky and smooth too. So I don't know if you can see this on camera, but it creates a nice rich lather, very silky, and soft. Smells fabulous on the skin. And a very creamy lather. It's not the typical super bubbly, but very rich and creamy, almost like a moisturizer lotion. So I'm excited to share this. Ooh, it makes my skin feel really good too. I'm excited to share this with a friend who requested it. I'm hoping she enjoys it. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.